Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to customize your email signature in Microsoft Outlook. A well-structured signature adds a professional touch to your emails and makes it easy for recipients to quickly access your key contact details in a clean and organized format. Let's go step by step so you can set everything up correctly and with ease. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You can launch the desktop app or access Outlook through your web browser if you're using the online version. Once Outlook is open, look at the top menu bar and click on the File tab. After clicking on File, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. From the list of options, select Options. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage and customize different Outlook features. Next, in the Outlook Options window, click on the Mail tab located on the left-hand side. This section contains all email-related settings. Scroll down until you find the Signatures option and click on it. If you have trouble locating it, you can also use the search feature and type Signatures to find it quickly. This will open a new window dedicated entirely to managing your email signatures. If you already have a signature created, it will appear in the list where you can select it to edit or update the details. If you want to create a new signature, click on the New button, then you'll be prompted to give your signature a name, which helps you easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes. Once your signature has been named, you can start filling in your details. Add important information such as your full name, job title, company name, phone number, and any relevant links like your website or LinkedIn profile. It's also a good idea to include your email address so recipients can quickly copy or reference it when needed. While creating your signature, you may notice that pressing Enter adds extra spacing between lines. To keep everything neat, clean, and professional, use Shift-Enter to create single line breaks instead. This helps maintain a compact and well-structured layout. After finishing your signature, take a moment to carefully review everything. Check for spelling, formatting, and accuracy. Once you're satisfied, choose the email account you want the signature linked to and decide whether it should appear on new emails, replies, or both. Finally, click OK to save your changes and exit the settings window. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional email signature in Outlook. From now on, your signature will automatically appear on your emails, giving every message a consistent and polished finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more clear and practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.